Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to adjust pitch for Google Text-to-Speech on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. Here in General Management, go to Text-to-Speech. Now here in Text-to-Speech, you can see the pitch and you can see the adjustment. And okay guys, to adjust the pitch, you'll have to do is adjust to the right to hide the pitch. Or you can adjust to the left to load the pitch. And okay guys, to hear the pitch, you'll have to do is tap the play button. And okay guys, if you want to adjust on default settings, you'll have to do is tap the reset button to set the pitch on default settings. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully adjust pitch for Google Text-to-Speech on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.